And we break this thing over here.
Oh.
So we fix it. So we're trying to like get cutting wood. We are working.
Yeah.
But look at the spider web. It's right there.
It's right there.
So we move. So how should look at this. Look what we have. We just have the thing right here. Then we put the more chicken. So because we don't have pants, so we bring that. But that's the thing.
What about if we'll walk on the other side? Caminemos al otro lado. Okay.
Look at this. This is our wall. That's electrical. And this is fireworks. I don't want to touch it. But I like to touch this fireworks to get it out. So you can say, hello, chickies. Hello, chickies. So, look at our chickens. So we have a gray one. So wait. So we have the stairs to climb up. So I can come there. So we'll have the chicken inside the fence. I climb here and climb there. So I get up to see it. Where is it? So if you just keep climbing. Hello guys. Yes, down. So it's right here. And then you get dirty. For one. Yeah, but who left that bottle?
Yeah, we need to pick it up. Vamos a recogerlo. Recoger toda la basura de la backyard.
Because my dad said he wanted to make a flat. Yesterday is bumpy. So he wanted to make flat. And look at how flat. It's already so hot. What's it?
Yeah, it's really hot right now.
Now we sit down here, burn your butt. And look at his hat.
Don't touch that one. Maybe poison ivy.
So this one is called poison ivy, but they are poison
We don't touch it because poison ivy is like itching, you know?
Yeah. So we're going to have poison ivy. So and I want Jake touch it.
Remember?
Oh, really hot.
There's another hole in there. So that's why the chicken escaped. Por eso los pollos se nos escaparon ayer.
So what happened to the chicken in there? That's not good. That's
Yeah,
not
we need
good.
to put... Vamos a tener que tapar todos esos hoyos.
Look at this one.
¿Ah?
Look at this one.
¿Qué es?
The plant died.
No, pero ese es como... Es como una basura. Tenemos que cortarlo. Córtalo.
Cortado.
Cortalo, Jaco. Cut it. Uy. Le cayó el pelo a Jaco.
Look at this. That's the seed that's growing in there.
Roots.
Roots, yeah. So the seed. This one. So like, look at there. You have.
Yeah, it's a lot. We need to cut it off.
Yeah.
Don't touch it because I think that's poison ivy. I don't know. We need to cut it off.
Wow, I don't know.
¿Te golpeaste?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, what's
We
that?
need to put
That's
a bandage. ¿Ah?
There's a bee.
No sé.
Mommy, look.
Enséñanos todo el...
I find this for the birthday.
Oh, tenemos que recoger toda esa basura.
That hurts.
¿Ah?
It hurts. I just for the birthday. Put that baby. We have sticks or
Yeah.
look at that. There's one of the things again, friends. You turn the gas
¿Ah?
over there so you can go
Sí,
there. Right, Mommy?
correcto. Ahí están los pollitos. Sí, tenemos que tapar todos los hoyos de la fence para que no se nos escapen los pollitos. Que ayer se nos escaparon varios y se metieron en medio de las dos fence, del vecino y la de nosotros. Y nos costó sacarlos de ahí.
And look at this big,
Que la
big
fence de
ant.
nosotros tiene
You see
tiene
that?
muchos,
The big
no sé.
ant.
Hay hoyo debajo. Tenemos que cerrarlo.
Big ant is mean. So we have the damaged playground.
Sí, tenemos que fixar.
What with this?